Welcome back. Today we're giving you a preview of one of the highest demand candle designs in the market, the Amethyst Gemstone Candle. People everywhere are obsessed with crystal aesthetics, making these candles a huge favorite for gifts and decor. In this quick video, you can see the sculpting and assembly process. If you want the full step-by-step tutorial, exact material formulas, wick rules, and direct global supplier links, check the link in the description below to join our complete masterclass.